Are you planning to attend the Hotel Resort Innovation Expo this year? It's running on the 10th and 11th of October 2023 at the Excel Centre in London, UK, and I am delighted to be supporting this important event for the hotel industry. This year's Expo offers unparalleled coverage to hoteliers that are looking to enhance their hotel offering through the latest innovative solutions. The show is set to bring you the latest products and technologies, as well as showcase the advancements, trends and sustainability within the sector. With a projected 5,000 attendees and over 300 exhibitors, the show brings together like-minded hotel professionals who are looking to expand the function of their hotel and expand their knowledge while gaining new inspiration to stay ahead of the game. With 150 seminars and well over 30 hours of content from key industry professionals on all things hotel and hospitalities, here's some of the things that you'll learn. How to improve your cash flow, and who doesn't need that? What it takes to gain customer loyalty. What's new in the tech world for hospitality owners, and how to retain key members of staff. Maximising food and beverage revenues. How to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in this new world, navigating the metaverse. Plus, there are panel discussions on sustainability, customer retention, operational challenges, and future trends in technology. Interested? All you need to do is to click on the link below to book your free ticket now and enjoy the show.